We've just introduced the log formatter in Boozang, and it's an addition to the extension, so make sure you're running the latest extension when we're recording this video. That's 3.8.0. This modification will greatly improve your troubleshooting capabilities. As you know, we log a lot of things in Boozang, so when running it, for instance, from a CI server, sometimes it's hard to find the root cause. Maybe you have a problem that is only appearing when you're running it in Jenkins and maybe not when you're running it in the IDE. And I'm going to show you what kind of game changer this is. Let's say you have a long, complex log like this, which is what we have. It's definitely possible using the search to troubleshoot it, but in the extension now we have a log formatter that will greatly improve that. So let me demonstrate. First of all, talk a little bit about the configuration. You can automatically activate this by telling basically which is the URL you should activate the log formatter for. Here I've set it to match this URL in Jenkins, and also you can a very slightly complex functionality, but when you have several workers that I have, you can actually kind of merge these logs together and get all the information for all the jobs. So we're super excited about this. We also have a couple of performance thresholds that can help you troubleshoot slow tests and slow dispatching, but I'm not going to go into detail about that. So let's go ahead and hit format current page. So what this does is it automatically looks at the log and renders this much more friendly view that you see right now. So this is going to be a game changer for troubleshooting. So let me demonstrate what we see. First of all, we have a number of some information around what's the root test case, what's the Docker runner version, and what's your IDE version and the extension version. This is helpful, but also helpful for us. If you happen to post these logs for us, we will know exactly what version you are running. In here, instead of giving you this unfriendly log, you can now see all the different tests that were run. In this case, it's Cucumber, and you can open up and drill into any individual actions like this with the accordions. What I really like here is when you're just in the overview, you can also see directly what is green was successful and what was red was failures. And you can very easily see the failure screenshot by clicking on the camera here, where I can see the problem. Not only that, one thing that is really good is that we've added a number of sorting functions here where you can sort by completion time, which is the normal one, what completed first, second, etc. But then, of course, what I really like, you can sort by result to get all the failures on top. You can sort by performance, which I like to do, to find my slow tests to see if there is something I can do to improve performance. And you can also sort by worker to get them in order, which worker executed what tests, and also to get an understanding if the tests were kind of shared equally between the workers or if one worker got stuck. So there's a lot to explore here. I encourage you to check it out. There will be a separate video around the root cause analysis here that I will talk about, because I find that this is a topic on its own. But there's going to be a lot of improvements being done in this view, and there's going to be a lot to talk about. So I encourage you to check it out and reach out to us if you can't get it to work.